Hi, welcome to Prognozy Capital. Today we will understand the FII market open positions. Let's understand how FII made positions on 6th of October 2023. Once you learn how to decode the FII positions, you will able to predict the market moves. So let's get started. Index performance. Nifty closed positive at 19,653.5, up 107.75 points. Short covering seen in Nifty with decreased OI minus 8,432 contracts. Nifty options buildups. Nifty resistance or call option OI buildup at 20,500, with OI increased by 129.41%. Nifty support or put option OI buildup at 19,600. With OI increased by 279.03%. Banknifty closed positive at 44,360.6, up 147.25 points. Short covering seen in Banknifty with decreased OI minus 1,423.8 contracts. Banknifty option buildups. Banknifty resistance or call option OI buildup at 44,500, with OI increased by 55.95%. Banknifty support or put option OI buildup at 44,300, with OI increased by 126.45%. Cash market positions. FII today sold 90.29 CR. DII today bought 783.25 CR in cash market. FII futures and option cash positions. FII bought 404.11 CR in index futures. Also bought 2043.77 CR in index option. They bought 1140.37 CR in stocks futures. And bought 195.65 CR in stocks option. Net bought 3,783.90 CR in F&O market. FII index futures positions, long and shorts. In index futures, FII closed 164 long contracts and closed 4,107 short contracts. With this, FII is now net short in index with minus 84,368 contracts compared to previous minus 88,311 contracts. FII stocks futures positions, long and shorts. In stocks futures, FII added 8,924 long contracts and closed 3,698 short contracts. With this, FII is now net short in stocks with minus 205,333 contracts compared to previous minus 217,955 contracts. FII index option positions, long and shorts. Index options, upside direction. In index options, FII added 183,450 call long and added 176,100 put shorts. Total call long and put shorts for the day comes to 359,550 contracts. Index options, downside direction. In index options, FII added 158,920 put long and added 134,642 call shorts. Total put long and call shorts for the day comes to 293,562 contracts. FII index option analysis. FII's net put long is 427,815 contracts compared to previous 444,995 contracts. And net call long is 257,082 contracts compared to previous 208,274 contracts. Option buildups on short side is less than long side suggest that downside is limited. This is how FII created their position in various segments. Check out our market snapshot sheet for detailed position buildups by FII, DII, pros and clients. To get the FII data on daily basis, please join our Telegram channel, search for Prognozy Capital in Telegram. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram for daily updates on FII data. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and please like us and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.